Welcome back as we now look at typical greasing equipment. The apparatus mostly used for greasing operations is called a grease gun. The simplest and commonest grease gun is this hand-operated type. Grease is pumped by operating the handle through a connector which couples onto a grease nipple on the apparatus to be greased. Another version of a hand-operated greaser is the so-named refinery pail greaser. This unit is designed to fit directly into a standard 15-kilogram grease pail. Greasing is achieved by first connecting the coupler to the selected grease nipple and then pumping the handle on top of the pail. In workshops where compressed air is available, it is more common to find pneumatically operated greasing units. Typically, a pneumatic greaser is fitted to a 50 or even 80-kilogram grease pail, as shown in this example. Pneumatic greasers are capable of producing very high pressures, as can be seen here on this test gauge. The trigger-operated grease valve delivers high volumes of grease in a very short time. As with pneumatic oilers, greasers too can be used effectively on any plant via the use of hoses which roll away. After the break, we'll be looking at how to use and maintain certain lubricating equipment.